Well, here we go. I got about 5-6 hours before a massive storm system rolls through. Brought my rain gear. I may sit, if they're still biting once it starts, I may sit out here in it and just keep going. But these fish are still transitioning. They're bouncing back and forth between deep and shallow. Last couple times out here didn't catch any bigs, but did catch quite a few fish up shallow. I had a buddy who hooked 2 big ones shallow and lost them, so let's start out on some of the shallow stuff on my way to my deep spot. See if we can't pick 1 or 2 up. And the plan will be bouncing back and forth between deep and shallow, trying to work both groups of fish. It's weird because the deep ones want really big baits and the shallow ones want really small baits. Not sure if that's going to affect anything too big. We'll see. It's a good fish. I don't know if that's a coal or not. Oh, I think that might be a coal. That might be a coal. We're gonna see. It's fat. That fish is super fat. Oh, I think that's going. Shoot. Shoot. 19 3/4. 19 3/4. Yeah, buddy. It's like a 4-pounder right there. Maybe a little over. I like it. She went straight back into that grass. Oh, that's bigger. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Yep, that's what I need. No. Stay down. Come on. Come up for me. Come up for me. Yes. That's one that I needed. Here we go. That should be over 20. Oh yeah. That's 21 1/4. Shoot. Shoot. Man, we're not gonna weigh her. She got a skinny belly. That's over 5 though. Only 1 1/4. That's a good 5-pounder. Yeah, buddy. And there she goes. I can't tell. Oh, it's a spot, that's why. It's a good spot. That's a nice spot. That's a chunker right there. I mean, he ain't a coal, but that's a chunk. Fat belly. Oh, that's a big one. Yep, that's a big one. Stay down. Stay down. Alright, it might be a spot. I don't know what we got. Oh, it's a big old spot, dude. Hooked in the corner of his mouth. I thought I had a giant. Oh, me. I'll get your damn blood heart thumping. God. Are you kidding me? You did all that. I mean, granted, it's a very nice spot. It's a really nice spot, but still. Dude, that thing had me. I thought I had like a 23 or something on. We'll drag that again though. See what else is down there. That's a nice spot, man. Pretty fish. Belly on it. Yeah, buddy.